Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So it's been a few days from I've uploaded a video, so I just want to welcome back all my regular viewers, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today, as normal, all the acrylics that I'm using are from Glitterbels, and I will list them all below. I thought today I would do just a kind of nice, sweet, soft acrylic tutorial. This is pink fluff that I'm using. I've had it for quite a while and I've never got around to using it, so I just thought for a change I would use something different and do something nice and sweet. On the little finger here, I'm going in with the pink fluff and I'm going to blend that down towards the free edge of the nail. I'm not going to take it right to the free edge because I kind of want the sort of clear glass look coming through. And then I will go ahead and I'll apply some broken gold. So I'm using my Handolly today. I've got her back out of retirement because I think the last few ones I've been using my flexi hand. And this is the new improved Handolly, which I did a video on. So if anybody is interested in having a Handolly, go on, have a look at the video. You will not be disappointed. The new Handollies are absolutely amazing. So as a lot of my regular viewers will know, the broken gold is one of my all-time favourites with Glitterbels, and I decided to put it just sort of all over this little finger, and then as normal I take notions and I go, no, don't like it, and I try to take it all off. So I ended up just putting it just on the free edge of the nail, and I think it works much better than just putting it on top of the pink fluff. Moving on to the ring finger now, and I'm going in with baby powder. This is an absolutely gorgeous powder. It's a real baby pink, but it has a beautiful shimmer that goes through it, and the coverage of it is absolutely amazing. A little goes such a long way with this colour. So I'm covering the entire nail with the baby powder, and then I will go in and I'll place some broken gold just around the free edge area of that. Onto the middle finger now, and again I'm going in with the baby powder up to the cuticle area, and I'm just going to spread that down a little just past the nail bed area, and then I'm going to go in with some of the pink fluff and blend that up towards, from the free edge up towards the middle of the nail. You know, I really forgot just how pretty I can't get my words out. I really forgot how pretty the pink fluff actually is. I remember doing the swatch of them at the time, thinking just how gorgeous it was, but I have no idea why I didn't use it. And I think it goes absolutely perfect with the baby powder. You know, with the names of these, the baby powder and the pink fluff, this would actually be a really lovely set for a baby shower for someone that's having a girl, or they could even double up you know, they would be suitable as well for wedding nails, because more and more girls now are going for colour rather than, you know, the usual French that we used to get whenever we were getting married. So onto the pointed finger, and I'm going in again with baby powder, and I'm just placing that from the cuticle area just down to where the natural nail bed. I can't, oh my goodness, what's wrong with me? So I'm bringing that down to just where the natural nail bed ends. And then I'm getting in with pink opal and snowdrop white, and I'm just going to do a really, really soft marble on half of the nail. And then of course I will go in and add some broken gold. I absolutely love the way the pink opal and the snowdrop white give that really, really soft, translucent effect to the marble. I think it's a really, really nice look on the nails, and something that I might consider actually doing on myself when I come to change these nails that I have on now. So yep, in with some more broken gold. As you all know, it's my fave from Glitterbels by far. I absolutely love broken gold, because before I used this, I used to use just normal gold foil, and it is a nightmare to try and just rip it off in little chunks and place them on the nail. I think I was just getting more and more frustrated, and when I saw the broken gold from Glitterbels, I was like, yes, happy days. So I'm now going in with just a little bit of the pink crush. I'm like putting it on the nail and then taking it off, because I literally only want just little bits of the sparkle to be on this nail, because I don't want to take away from the broken gold and the marble. And just because I'm absolutely obsessed with broken gold, I decided to go ahead and pop some onto the ring finger. So I've just placed it on, and I'm going to pat it into like a diagonal line going from the free edge just ever so slightly up the nail. So now that I have all the coloured acrylic on, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cap the nails in glass slippers. I'm only going to show one of the nails being capped though, because I always like to keep the length of the video down for you guys. So now all the nails have been capped in glass slippers, and I'm now going to go ahead and I'm going to file and shape the nails. I'm only going to show one nail though, just to keep the length of the video down. So I'm doing my normal filing routine, which is I always start at the side walls and then I go to the lower arch, and I make sure both of those are nice and straight. Then I would usually go to the free edge, and I don't know why I didn't do it in this one, but I continue to go ahead and file around the cuticle area and the side walls up to the apex. So I always file in an upward motion towards the apex. That way you're keeping the apex exactly where you left it, and you're going to get a more structurally sound nail. Once I'm happy with the shape of the nail, I always go in with my buffer, and that will remove any of the harsh lines that the 180 grit file leaves behind. So a quick wipe over with some alcohol, and it's top coat time, yay! And I'm using Glitterbels non-wipe top coat, and I just can't wait to see this glitter come to life, especially because I'm using broken gold as well. It's just wow. Wow, I absolutely love it. Look how that pink fluff is sparkling. It's gorgeous. On the video here, you probably can't get to see the shimmer that's in that baby powder, but once I put the photographs on at the end of this video, you can see just how beautiful baby powder is. I thought I would do a close-up there just of the nails to let you see the baby powder and just how shimmery it is. And I'm going to go ahead here on the ring finger, and I'm going to finish the nail off by doing some 3D flowers. So when I'm doing my 3D flowers, I use a smaller brush. It's probably a brush about size 5. You can get them from Glitterbels as well, but I would be using it, but it's out of stock. So as soon as it comes back into stock, I will have it. So whenever I'm picking up a bead to do my 3D flower, I make sure I've got plenty of liquid in my brush, and then I pick up my bead. I like my bead to be really wet and glossy, and then I drain out all the liquid from the brush on my paper towel and then place it on the nail. The reason I do it this way is you need the glossiness of that bead so that it will stick to your nail. If you don't, it will slide everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let you watch how I do the 3D flowers, and I will be back just before the end of the video. Okay, I'm back, and once I finish the flowers now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some rhinestones, and I'm using my Glitterbels base glue just to adhere them to the nail. So keeping with the theme of the broken gold, I'm going to go ahead and I'm adding gold rhinestones this time, and I'm just placing one in the center of the flower and just a few around it. I do also go in and on the middle finger I do a cuff with the gold rhinestones, but just to keep the length of the video down I haven't included it, but you can see it in the photographs. And here's the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, you know what to do. Hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you could go ahead and do that now. And if you also hit the little notification bell, it will mean you won't miss any more of my upcoming videos. And I will see you all in the next video. So take care, see you soon, bye.